So on testing, we are ramping up. Those will come online very soon. In fact, our new testing facility in Milton Keynes opens today, and we therefore are on the ramp up of the testing numbers. The other thing I want to mention in that space is, of course, many people across the NHS are asking for more protective equipment, personal protective equipment. And I can tell you that over the last 24 hours, we have shipped 7.5 million pieces of protective equipment, especially the masks, the so-called FFP3 masks, which are very important to get out. And there's now a hotline, so that if you are in the NHS or social care, including in pharmacy, if you call the hotline, if you don't have the PPE that you need, then we will get it to you. That's literally a military effort to get these millions of pieces of kit out to people. If people are working on the front line to look after us, it's vital that we look after them.